I'm reviewing these wireless earbuds. So here we go. These are the ones I got on Amazon. These are the very expensive ones that I had. One of them stopped working. This was very reasonable. If you have children that love their AirPods, you want to just get so frustrated if they lose one, it breaks, you wash it. These are so affordable that if I wash it and they don't work anymore, so be it. But so far, so good. I haven't washed them yet. They both work. It paired easily with my phone. The sound quality is amazing. I can buy one pair for every member of my family and, you know, not take out a loan for it. So really good purchase. You can get one for your car, get one for your purse, and you'll know that it works. Charges easily. What's not to love?